Yo, 58's in the building. 21 with a video. Great win by the Philadelphia Eagles. They got the job well done. I thought it was going to be a low scoring game at first, 20-17. But they took them out of the waters, 31-13. Doug Peterson, thank goodness you used your mother effing head today. Run the ball with John Howard. Just like I said, run up the middle against the Bills defense. That's all you have to do. That's bottom line. That's textbook. That was good job by Carson Wentz. Good job, Jordan Howard. Miles Sanders, you did a good job as well. And good work, got him. Got a touchdown as well. Especially good job to you too, Boston Scott. Did your thing. And especially the defense, you did your job. You did your work. You see Orlando Scandal, you see what you just done? I told you. You woke up the sleepless giants. I told you the Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles. You was not listening. Thank you for that pep talk on Undisputed. Thank you very much. Now our motivation are back in motion. We're going to get back in this. We're going to get back at this. I never counted out the Philadelphia Eagles. I never counted them out. Not even close, not even yet. It's a lot of game left. We could definitely get in that wild-card spot. I don't care what the situation is. It's time to turn the tables. Just like I said. Because the Eagles, we're hungry. We're coming. No bull crap, no bullshit. Doug Peterson, keep doing your job. Run the ball up the middle. Please, all game long. That's all I ask for. And we could look good again. I can't wait for some of our guys get back. Week 11. We definitely turn the table. Yeah. And I don't want y'all to ever forget it. I commend you, Philadelphia Eagles. You did an absolutely phenomenal job today. I know it's windy out there. It's crap. You know. And I'm just kind of hope that we got to keep the winning streak going. Oh, that was a done deal. So I'm just saying, and just in general, we just got to keep believing in each other, trust each other, and play together. We got to do it. We don't have no choice right now. We have to play together. We can't play individually. It just don't work. Don't work like that. We definitely got to come together. We got to show people wrong. We got to prove a lot of people wrong. Just in general. Yeah, that's your one and only guy, 58's21, with another video. Comment. Subscribe to my channel. Holla at your boy, 58's21, and I'm out.